What is going on YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to trade a live small account. We're going to be going over what platforms to use, what tools I use to actually make my trades, and I'll show you my stats, as well as I'll give you access to a tool that I use to get free signals, about 2 to 3 signals a day that helps me get into futures trades. By the time you finish watching this video, you're going to learn how to get into a live account and actually make some real money and put that back in your pocket. So let's dive right in. So the tool I'm using is called NinjaTrader. It's a perfect platform to get started with. They require no minimum deposit, and when it comes to margins, you can get started with as low as $50 a day. And if you like to use a demo account, they also offer a free unlimited demo simulated practicing. Let's dive right into my account. So I currently started out with a $200 account, but I also had to pay for the real-time market data, which cost me about $14. So I technically started out with 188 bucks. So to start out from the beginning of this month, as you see on the left, this is a live account. I started out with $188. I have made $133 so far. My win rate is close to 60%. I'm losing about 40% of my trades. I have traded 22 trades already. 22 is a little too much for my liking, but this is a real account, so I had to do a little bit of some adjustments. So my biggest loss was an MNQ. I did try MNQ, NASCrack, and I lost almost 50 bucks there. I don't plan on trading MNQ anytime soon. I'm gonna just stick with micro ES and keep it there. So now you have my stats. Let's get into what I look at as far as the tools I use in the charts. So my indicators are pretty much the 21 EMA, VWAP, and volume profile. If you watch a few of my videos, you will know that I love to just keep my chart very simple. I trade off levels, so I do look through previous history, and I have my levels drawn out. I'm trading on the 5-minute chart. I don't look at anything below the 5-minute chart. Some people do the 2, 3, but I just tend to stick with 5 or higher. And that'll be all for the tools on this actual platform, but I did promise you a bonus tool, and let's get right to that. So I'm part of this group called Black Titan Elite, and within Black Titan, we have a trading algo that will send you alerts directly to your email. So when you sign up, you give us your email, we'll be able to send you these buy signals or sell signal alerts. Currently right now it works for ES, NQ, TL, and GC. So let me take you into what the tool looks like. Okay, so it's already populated right now. This is for today. The market just closed, but it gave us 3 alerts. The first one was at 6 o'clock yesterday. It was a buy signal, and then we had a sell signal. This sell signal was more of a wash, and then you had another buy that came in today. I took this buy personally and made some money on there, and then I wish I took this other buy signal, but wasn't looking at the charts anymore by then. But this was a crazy run. You get a nice volume profile to the right. You also get this tool at the bottom to let you know when sellers or buyers are leaving. So this is the buyers and that's the sellers. The other thing that I love is that you get, let me zoom in as well. You get this thing called footprint. So within every candlestick, you get to see the bid and the ask within each candlesticks. And if you look all the way on the bottom, you're going to see the top 100 orders. This is how we're able to pay attention to what the big whales are doing. So within each candlestick, we can tell if big whales are actually they're buying into a momentum, or they're selling off in that momentum. So I think it's very powerful. I can make another video even talking more about this, but I just want to let you know this is a tool that we're currently using. It has been profitable for the past few weeks now since I've been on it. And it's part of the biggest ways that I make my plays within this account. Okay, so with all that being said, if you would like access to right now, we're giving out the first 50 people watching this video that clicks the link below and signs up will get it free for life. And consecutively after that, it will probably be, maybe you get it free for 2 weeks and then you start to pay for it. But if you're watching this right now, take advantage of the free link at the bottom so you don't have to pay for it forever. All we ask is that you just write a review and give us feedback, because we're constantly trying to get that AI bot to be even better than what it is currently. That concludes my video. I hope you were able to learn at least what I'm currently doing with trading a small account, how I'm able to trade these accounts. I didn't get too technical on what type of strategies I use. You can watch some of my other videos to see that, but if you have any questions, please hit me on the comments below, and don't forget to check the link to get a free trial, or even get it free for life, depending on how quick you are. Till next time, peace.